and welcome to my kitchen. I am so excited to be bringing back Cheap Clean Eats. I know you guys have been asking for it. I've got 3 recipes for you, and it's gonna be an experiment type Cheap Clean Eats. So I was researching online to see how I could make non-carby bread taste like bread. I feel like this is such a big question in my life because for me, wheat really bloats me. I don't feel good, so I'm always trying to look for a substitute. Before we get started, I do want to thank Thrive Market for partnering with me on this video to bring Cheap Clean Eats back. You guys, Thrive Market is an online marketplace on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable. Everything is like 25 to 50% cheaper than retail prices. So you guys, are you ready? Are you ready to know what recipes we're doing? Our first one, we're gonna try low carb flatbread. I found it from my friend FitMenCook. I'm excited to try that. Then we're gonna try cloud bread, and then a 90-second bread, which you can make in the microwave. These 3 recipes that I have chosen, I hope they taste good, but I don't know if they're gonna taste good. So I'm going to be very critical, and I will give you guys my honest opinion because I need to know if I would ever want to make these recipes ever again. Give this video a thumbs up if you are ready to get cooking, if you are ready for Cheap Clean Eats to be back. We're gonna start out with the low carb flatbread from FitMenCook, and these are the ingredients you're going to need. 1 cup of full fat coconut milk, half a cup plus a heaping tablespoon of superfine almond flour. Here we go. This is supposed to make it kind of gummy, I think. Half a cup of arrowroot powder. And then we're gonna do a pinch of sea salt, thumb and your finger, and just doink, just like that. And then 6 teaspoons of vegan butter. Okay, so I have already melted my vegan butter. As you can see, that's what it looks like. Mix all of this up. It should be the consistency of pancake batter, thick and loose. Oh, that smells really wholesome. Okay, you guys, let's head over to the skillet. We're gonna put our heat on medium high. Then we're gonna spray the pan with some olive oil. As that is heating up, you guys, I wanna show you my batter consistency. It got a little bit thicker, which is nice. Are you ready for our first one? I'm really excited. I really hope this works. Okay, I'm gonna do 3 dollops so it's nice and thick. So it is sizzling. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it's sticking together. This is so exciting. This is so exciting. Okay, we're supposed to let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes on one side and then flip onto the other side. That is beauty. I'm hoping this tastes really good. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here. And then I'm gonna put on my next one real quick as we taste it because I wanna taste it right off the pan. You guys, are you excited to try the very first low carb flatbread? I am. Oh my gosh, look at that consistency. Okay, I am so excited. Here we go. Oh my gosh. That is honestly really good. Yes. Yes, yes. Okay, so I would say the only thing I would change is I would add a little bit more salt. But when it comes to the taste of this bread, you guys, it is crispy on the outside, almost mochi-ish on the inside. You can really taste those coconut flavors coming through. Look at that. Look at how that pulls. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, this is so good, you guys. This is 10 out of 10. Wow, that was honestly so crazy good. I know I always say everything's good on Cheap Clean Eats, but like seriously guys, that was really good. So you guys, next one is cloud bread. I've been wanting to do this recipe for literally the past 7 years. A lot of people who are on Atkins or just low carb diets choose to make cloud bread, and it does look kind of like fluffy yellow clouds. So I hope ours turns out that way. So let's get started. All right, you guys, so in this recipe, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of cream cheese softened at room temperature. Hopefully this is soft enough. That's a lot. Okay. Oh, I just broke my spoon. I'm so upset. Let's do that over again. You guys, we need 3 tablespoons of cream cheese and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar or honey, and I have opted for honey. 3 eggs. Now, separate the eggs, take extra care with doing so. Place egg whites in a bowl with the cream of tartar. There should be no trace of yolk in this bowl, otherwise it will not whip nicely. Place yolks in a bowl with cream cheese and sugar. Doink! You'll need a 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. Cream of tartar is an essential ingredient for bakers. It is used to stabilize beaten egg whites when preparing angel food cake and meringues. Okay, good, because I was like, is this related to tartar sauce for fish and chips? Apparently not at all. Beat egg yolk mixture with a whisk or hand mixer until it's smooth and cream cheese is completely incorporated. All right, this is what it looks like right now. For the most part, the cream cheese chunks are gone. I think they'll melt a little bit more, so I'm just gonna leave that, because now is the exciting part. We get to use our hand mixer. All right, let's check the stiff peaks. That looks pretty stiff to me and looks like peaks. Okay, so this is good. This is really good. Now we get to move on to the next step. Fold the yolk mixture into the egg white mixture. Oh gosh, that smells so good. That looks really pretty. It's nice. Okay, so here is my cookie sheet. So I am gonna try to go for 6. We'll make them big. We'll just go for it. Here are our 6 clouds, and I'm gonna head to the oven, which I already preheated at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna put it in the oven, and then while that's cooking, we're gonna make the last recipe. We're gonna start on our final and third recipe, the 90-second bread. Fingers crossed. I have chosen a square microwave-safe bowl because I want it to feel like a sandwich bread, like sliced bread when I'm done. Okay, so you guys, you will need 3 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of oil, like melted butter, melted coconut oil, or avocado oil, and then a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 large egg, and a tiny pinch of salt. Okay, let's mix it all up together. Tap on the counter a few times to remove air bubbles. This one doesn't smell like much. Place in the microwave for 90 seconds. This is the test of truth. You guys, here's the cloud bread. Doink, doink. And let them cool for a second, and then over here we have the 90-second bread, which looks interesting. And I'm just going to flip it over onto this plate. Are you guys ready for the taste test? Okay, the texture is super bread-like. It's very, very bready. I'm gonna break it apart for you. Look at that. Ready? High hopes. Not really my favorite. It's very buttery, almost too buttery, but it's not bad. It's a little chewy, a little spongy, but like not enough for me to absolutely hate it. Are you guys ready to try the cloud bread? So texture here is very delicate. Maybe when you guys do it at home, add a little bit of extra olive oil or something in the bottom so it doesn't stick. It's very, very light. Texture-wise, it definitely reminds me of an Asian sponge cake. Let's try it. As soon as I bit into it, I felt something go, zoom. This bread is interesting. I do like that you can taste the cream cheese. It's definitely not chewy. It is time to rate these. I originally gave this a 10 out of 10. I would still give it a 10 out of 10. Like, I'm definitely making this tomorrow. This is so good. This guy, I don't know. Maybe I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. But this guy, I would have to give the cloud bread a 5 out of 10. It was way too much work, and the results just weren't worth it. In our quest today to find the ultimate low-carb bread, the winner is this one. It is so good. So if you guys at home are salivating right now and you want to try one of the bread recipes, I encourage you to do it. I want you to tag me on Instagram at blogilates so I can see your creation, but you need your ingredients. So I want you to head over to Thrive right now because I have an exclusive offer just for Popsters, you guys. So you know how the prices are already, discounted by 25 to 50% off? Well, Thrive said that they would give Popsters an extra 25% off the discounted prices. So on Thrive, you can filter all the categories, and based on what your dietary needs are at the time, whether you are paleo, vegan, raw, gluten-free, you can find the products that you need. So it's not like you're going through a whole grocery store and you're like, where is the thing? You can find it really easily. My link is in the bio. You can get an extra 25% off your first purchase and a free 30-day trials. And for those of you who are already Thrive Market members, because you heard me talk about it in a Cheap Clean Eats a couple years ago, just head over to your inbox or the homepage of the store because there are daily deals, daily discounts, and even free gifts. And by the way, anytime you do buy a membership, you are helping a teacher, a veteran, or a low-income family also have access to healthy food products because Thrive will donate a membership to them. This was super fun, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you made it this far, and let me know in the comments below which one of these breads you want to try, okay? I love you so much, and I will see you next time for a workout or a Cheap Clean Eat. All right.